Hello, this is Richard Wilson, CEO of the Family Office Club. I'm coming to you from downtown London here. It's about to host our Family Office Deal Flow Summit tomorrow. And I wanted to record this short video for you on what's going on in our business this week. I try to do these Monday mandates each week and post it to our Family Office podcast every once in a while in video format to YouTube on our channel there as well. And real quick, the top three things is one, we found an exciting new piece of intellectual property that could help with our operating businesses as well as the Family Office Club. So we're just working on trying to figure out how to apply that to our business. Two is that we are looking at a operating business. It's a consumer products business that is more than doubling in size each year. It's still relatively small, but I think in 3 years it'll be in a good position for a family office investment or kind of a big brother partner. So I'm trying to acquire a 5% equity stake in that over the next quarter in hopes that we could grow our position to 20% over time and then help with a kind of big brother partner coming on from one of our family office relationships. And the third thing is that I've just found it interesting how often this concept of the 3 trust curves has been coming up in all of my conversations with people who are looking to work with others on projects, whether it's a joint venture, a club deal, a co-investment, someone syndicating a deal, an independent sponsor, maybe it's an apartment building, maybe it's someone buying a company with 8 million in EBITDA, as one of my clients did just recently. But these 3 trust curves of having to move up the learning curves of the individual opportunity itself and the details of it, the trust in the team and the executive and the CEO, might be yourself in trying to get a deal done, and then in the ecosystem or the industry overall. And if all three things line up, they trust you, they trust the deal, they trust the industry and what's going on a macro level, then things get done and things move forward. If those things aren't in place, then nothing else matters. It doesn't matter how great the returns are. If they haven't moved up those 3 trust curves, you're done. And that's just been coming up and being verified in many places since I first thought of that idea. So I just wanted to kind of share that insight as something that I think is really critical and important to the family office industry and just investment management in general. So this is Richard Wilson. If you want to check out the Family Office Club, please visit familyoffices.com. Thank you.